Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we guys are going to discuss about a filter function in Python. Filter is again a built-in function which takes the two things. One is a function itself and second one is a iterable items. This function can be built-in or a user-defined function, and iterables means nothing but the list, tuple, dictionary, set and etc. Filter function return only true result. What does this mean? It will take the iterables, it will pass one element at a time to the function. If the condition is true, then only it will return a value, otherwise it won't return any value. Whereas in a map, all the iterable item will return some value. Here we can see the example. I have user defined function which is even, which is just checking the number is even or not. If it is even, then we are returning a true. If it is not, then we are returning a false. Result equal to filter is even. Is even is nothing but the function. We are having a list which is the numbers 1 2 3 4 5. List result, this will result a 2 and 4. 1 will get passed to the even, then condition is false, then it won't return any value. 2 will get passed to the is even, the condition is true, then the value will return or stored in a result. Similarly for a 3, 4, 5, only the even values in this particular list is a 2 and 4, and that's why we can see in a result. Result is definitely a filter type of object. We can see this practically. Filter def is even, num if num mod by 2 equivalent to 0, return true, otherwise default return will be false. Is even, comma 1 2 3 4 5, and all these things will get passed to the filter, and result equal to, we need to typecast it and we can see the 2 and 4. Another way or another approach for this will be, so I will say the result 2 equal to filter is even, comma 1 2 3 4 and 5. Next result 2, we can see the 2. Next result 2, it will return a 4, and this time if I am doing this, it will throw an error, stop iteration. The reason is there are only two values present in this 2 and 4, and which are already printed, and now there is no value found, so that's why it is throwing an error, that is a iteration is stop. So this is how we can use a filter. So filter will only return a true condition. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next.